Now, let's construct a loan amortization table. We can use this concept or we can see this concept in real world, right? When you go to car dealership or when you go to real estate company, you will set up a fixed payment, right? Let's say the car dealership, when you purchase the one car, maybe you will use 32 months or 72 months the fixed payment, right? Or when you go to real estate company, usually people go with 15 or 30 years fixed payment, right? So here I use 7 years. However, when you purchase the car or when you purchase the house, you can use the monthly. Here we will use yearly. You can use monthly, right? So it's the same concept, just a different frequency. Okay, so let's read the question first and then construct the table. Okay, if 13,000 is borrowed at 9.5 interest to be paid back over 7 years. So here we will use 7 years. How much of the second year's payment is interest? So second year's interest, right? That's what we need here. However, we will construct a table. Okay, so our beginning balance equals 13,000, right? That's we borrowed. And what is your payment? Let's calculate the payment. So 13,000 we borrowed, cash inflow 9.5 interest, and 7 years, future value equals to 0, compute payment. So 7 years, every year you need to pay 26. Okay, so I put here 26.4684, enter. Okay, so you need to pay every year. So we already calculate the payment. What is our interest? How to calculate the interest? Here, our discount rate is 9.5%, right? 9.5%. So I use this and 9.5% are equal, right? So how to calculate our interest? Our beginning balance multiplied by interest rate. So this will be our interest. What is the principal? This will be your principal. Okay, so end of year 1, your ending balance will be this. This will be your ending balance. Well, your payment is 2626. However, this payment consists of 2 parts, interest payment and then principal payment. So even you pay 26, you only pay $1,391, okay, in your beginning balance. Interest, you need to pay because you borrow the money, okay? So year 2, what is our beginning balance? Your ending balance in year 1, okay? What is your interest payment? Simple. Beginning balance, this will be. What is your principal? So So your ending balance, this. I will repeat this. We already calculate the second year's interest, right? So, oh, none of the above will be our answer. However, I want to finish this one, and then I want to point out one important concept again, okay? Okay. All right. So I construct the loan amortization table, okay? We already know our answer. However, you will see some characteristic of this table, okay? Of course, let's say you purchased a car, 13,000 bucks car, okay? The car dealer say, hey, you can use the annual payment, and then annual payment 7 years. Once you pay everything, your ending balance will be 0, right? So once you know about the beginning balance, your ending balance must be 0 because this is ending balance, right? And your payment, no matter what, once you set up your loan amortization table, your payment always equal, okay? All payments are same. So it's very simple. Once you purchase your car, monthly you will pay 250. Let's just example, 250 and monthly 72 months, right? They're not gonna change it, right? And however, it's component, two important component, interest payment and then principal payment. Their proportion will be different. So year 1, you pay a lot of interest, right? And over year 7, you only pay 227, right? You will see the difference, these two. What about your principal? Year 1, you only pay a small proportion of your payment. However, and over year 7, you will pay a lot more, right? So you must understand this one. So year one in your interest payment is highest. In year one, your principal is the lowest one. Okay? Once the interest goes down, your principal goes up. Right? You see the pattern. This is very important. So please remember, you need to remember this. You must know how to construct the amortization table, and then the notion and the proportion of interest payment and then principal payment. Okay? This answer will be this one. Sounds okay? Thanks for watching.